Hey, so we made an epic Santa dog demon cult member out of the Santa that we took apart. In this clip, you can see we're taking the cotton out of it so that we can cut it open and try to find the skeleton inside. You can see we're cutting the back in this one, and then we're cutting the foot open so we can get the button out of there. We used X-Acto knives, but we're very careful with them.
Safety first.
Because we do not want to kill ourselves on purpose.
While we did this, Liam was sitting in the corner praying for Lord to help him.
In this picture, you can see we got the button out of the foot. And then this is the skeleton of it. We predicted it almost perfectly with the paper that we had.
We're all just constructing.
As you can see here, the mouth moves, and if you look at our toy now, you can see that the head moves now. Because we put a dog from another group's head onto the thing. In this photo, you can see we're all working. And then this is the motherboard inside of it that has the music and everything on it. And then there's a motor in there to move the arms.
And head.
And then here's a photo of Ben screaming at me.
Yep, that's right.
And then there's another photo of the skeleton. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, now it's a demon bear. Sick.
Ooh, it's creepy, right?
This is Sawyer.
No
At
one
the end.
cares.
Henry, can you move your hand?
Henry, can you move your hand?